Hi guys, welcome back to Kali J's Kitchen. In today's video, we have a special guest. My Aunt Ray is here for Christmas and she will show you how to prepare this amazing curried shrimp. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notification bell so you guys can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Go ahead and tell your friends, tell your family members about Kali J's Kitchen and have them subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, it's KaliKitchen_1, and also on Facebook it's Kali J's Kitchen. So here I have my shrimp and she's gonna go ahead and wash it, and she will also go ahead and remove anything that she don't want on her shrimp, and she like to use light seasoning. So basically she's gonna go ahead and season her shrimp once she's finished removing anything that she don't want on it and also finish washing it. So basically she's adding some oregano. She's also gonna go ahead and add some parsley flakes. She will also add some onion powder, some garlic powder. Of course she has her black pepper, some all-purpose seasoning, and she will also go ahead and add some of her Caribbean green seasoning. And if you look closer to the side, you will see some carrots. She also have some onion, and of course she has some chopped up garlic and some bell peppers. All of these ingredients that she's using today, you can get them at your local supermarket or grocery shop. Remember to be creative, remember to be you in the kitchen, and most of all, utilize whatever you have at home. You can even visit your local meat shop, and of course you'll get shrimp there as well. Once she's finished adding all of that amazing seasoning, she will go ahead and combine everything together nicely because she wants her shrimp to be nicely seasoned, and then she's gonna cover it, put it aside for roughly about 15 minutes before she starts preparing it. She will also go ahead and add her curry powder, but she's not gonna add it just yet. When she's ready to prepare the shrimp, she will add her curry powder. And I'm just gonna go ahead and under this knife, and she's adding some Scotch bonnet pepper to her shrimp, of course, because you know Scotch bonnet give everything a nice flavor and taste. You can always go ahead and have this on a Saturday afternoon, on a Sunday afternoon for dinner. I mean, on a Friday, whichever day you want to, you can always go ahead and have it. This is really easy and simple. Within 7 minutes you should be out of the kitchen already. All right, and remember, you don't want to overcook your carrots. Also, you can always go ahead and cook your carrot before you start preparing your shrimp, or you have the option of cooking the carrot before you cook the shrimp in the same pot. All right, so this is it. The shrimp is all seasoned. So now we're gonna go over to the stove because it's time to go ahead and start preparing our carrots and our bell peppers. So basically she started the process already. She added the carrots to some butter, and she will also go ahead and add her bell peppers, and she's just gonna combine everything together nicely, and she's gonna cover it and allow it to just cook for roughly about 5 minutes or so. Then she's gonna go ahead and add her curry powder, and she's using the Maggie curry powder today, but if you guys have the other curry powder such as the Better Pack curry powder at home or the Indian curry, you can always go ahead and use it. Just be creative at home, and always remember, everybody cook different. All right, so once she add the curry powder, she will combine everything together nicely, and she will also add a little bit more of her vegetable oil. And then she's gonna go ahead and add her seasoned shrimp, and of course you want to combine everything together nicely. And again, remember, shrimp doesn't take long to cook. Please ensure that everything is evenly distributed, and once you add all of that goodness, you're just gonna cover it and allow it to cook. And you can always go ahead and have this with some white rice. You can always have it with some mashed potato, whatever you have at home. You can always go ahead and have your curried shrimp with it. So in a few minutes I'll come back and show you guys the final product of this amazing curried shrimp. And remember, you can always go ahead and taste, just in case you want to add some more stuff to it. You can always go ahead and taste. All right, and don't forget to add your onion and any other seasoning that you want to add to it. All right, just for taste and flavor. So in a few minutes, I'll show you guys the final product of this amazing curry shrimp. Stay tuned. And there you have it, guys, the final product of Aunt Ray's curried shrimp. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. I hope you guys go ahead and try it out and let me know what you think. Remember to subscribe to my channel. Remember to turn on your post notification bell so you guys can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you again so much for watching. We're on our way to 7K subscribers. Go ahead and subscribe and share. Bye guys, and see you all tomorrow. Bye.